I just wanted to talk to you guys about why somebody would want Probio5 and Vitalbiome and what the differences are between the two. So first of all, we all know that Probio5 is great at treating specifically a certain bacteria's overgrowth. And so that bacteria is yeast. It is there in your system to help decompose your body when you die. That's the reason why you have it. Excess sugar, stress, different chemicals that we're exposed to and toxins in our environment help to create a situation where that yeast overgrows and actually starts to eat away at your system prematurely. Okay, so that isn't something that we want, right? And that's part of the reason why a lot of people develop food allergies, is because they have that yeast overgrowth. So what's great about Probio5 is that it actually has the strains in it that specifically help combat yeast overgrowth, and it also has an enzyme in it that we all know, chitinase, and that helps to break apart the exoskeleton of the yeast and actually kill it. And so that is why somebody would want to take Probio5. That's a really common condition for people, is to have yeast overgrowth. So then what is Vitalbiome and why would somebody need both? Okay, I am going to read to you out of this book that I recommended that everybody get. I really like it because it's a simple primer on the microbiome, and that is some amazing information for you to help yourself with the products that we offer. And so dysbiosis, what is dysbiosis? What are some causes of dysbiosis and how does it relate to Vitalbiome? So some causes of dysbiosis would be excessive antibiotic use, which can also cause the yeast overgrowth, and being on anti-inflammatory drugs, and being on birth control pills, hormones, steroids, chemotherapy, artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners are just really bad. And so a lot of people have been using those for years and years, and that's actually created this state that they really want to get rid of. Too much sugar and fat, not enough fiber. Fiber is so important in your diet. And drinking alcohol, stress, we all have stress, and infections in the body. And so what are some symptoms of dysbiosis? Food cravings, bloating, weight gain, yeast overgrowth helps to contribute to dysbiosis. Irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, leaky gut, parasites, gluten sensitivity, food allergies and sensitivities, chronic fatigue syndrome, depression, and skin conditions. So yeast overgrowth and dysbiosis, those are actually two different things. And so what Vitalbiome does, the reason I have this pillow, is because it is really key to increasing that microbiome in your gut that helps contribute to less stress and less anxiety, which is really linked to dysbiosis. And so Probio5 would be specifically for combating yeast overgrowth, and Vitalbiome would be for just increasing the good probiotics in your gut. So if somebody does not have dysbiosis or any of those symptoms, there's a reason why sometimes you will see me posting about my coconut water kefir, and there's a reason why people drink kombucha, and they want a lot of different strains of probiotics in their diet. And so what I love about Vitalbiome is, and this is all in your back office and with your tools that you can share, is that it is revolutionary. We have clinical trials and proof that the strains that are in here actually help decrease stress and increase feelings of happiness connected to serotonin and other benefits of microbiome proliferation in your gut that help you feel happier. So you're going to have less bloating, that is all in the back office, and you're also just going to, in general, feel better. And so that is why you want to talk to people about both of these, not just one or the other. Okay? Thank you.